Yeah, and I think there's sort of two things I'd like to highlight. First of all, I think Steve's right when he points out the action in Lowe's, and that's just a function of markets being illiquid. And there's still some liquidations that are starting to happen at the end of this sort of sell-off in this market. So I agree with him on that. I don't agree with the first speaker's point that the big moves in these stocks like Carnival are ridiculous. I actually think there's real money and real bids, and the reason that those stocks are rallying is because people have figured out that there is another side, and we're going to get to the other side, and we're going to get to the other side in 3 months, in 6 months, in some reasonable period, and the government is going to be there to cushion the blow. You have stocks like MGM that have been traded down 70% on the year, and it is bouncing today, and I'm buying today because I believe this stock is going to go back to $30 a share where it was trading. And so even if it's up a bunch, it's going to triple from here. You in the fall when they reschedule conferences, when they reschedule fights, when all the men that are cooped up with their wives actually say, I want to go back to Vegas in the fall, Vegas is going to be raging. The Raiders are going to be back here in the fall. So I just think when you look out from where we are, and that's just one microcosm, there are lots of examples of big dislocations in this market right now that as we get back to normalization are stocks that can triple and quadruple.
I heard, Josh, was that you reacting to Ricky?
Ricky, Maslow's hierarchy of needs. The federal government is going to be bailing out casinos and cruise lines, or the federal government is going to allow the infrastructure of the country. The federal government is going to allow these companies to lay off all their workers and put them on government payrolls. These businesses will not be shut. They'll shut down for a month. They won't have payrolls. I think landlords are going to give people extensions on rent. Industry and the government are going to come in to cushion this blow in a way that people do not understand by just putting these numbers out there and freaking out and saying my friend's not going to have a job or here's what's going to happen.